Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Mark Rawmaker.
Hey, and I'm Jonathan Spiegel, the Dream Maker with eXp Realty and
the Home Squad. So today we're in Westside Village in Windermere, Florida, and we have a brand new listing.
7885
Berkshire
Oak
Alley.
That's right.
Yeah, it's gonna be great. So we're gonna take in there, we're gonna walk around. Jonathan's not seen it yet, and
Nope.
I just wanna let you know that when we go in there, the sellers have taken great care of it. It's really nice.
Oh, great.
So don't touch anything.
I love nice things.
Yeah, but honestly, do not touch anything.
Okay.
Nothing, okay?
Yep.
All right, let's go see it. Don't touch anything.
Okay, I heard you.
Okay.
7 times.
Don't touch it.
Oh my gosh,
I know.
it's so beautiful.
I know, it's so pretty in here.
Mark, you were telling the truth.
I wouldn't lie. Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna go look around.
Okay, don't touch. Seriously.
Scout's honor.
Okay, all right. So right when you walk in, you have the living room to the right, which is fantastic. You can oversee the front yard, a lot of natural light, and you move right into this dining space with these beautiful, cool, contemporary fixtures. And the kitchen's right there. So it has that wonderful open floor plan that everybody loves, everybody wants. My favorite thing about this first floor is the wood-like tile throughout the entire first floor. It's beautiful, the contrasting colors with the white kitchen. You guys are gonna love it. Do you love it?
I love it so much.
Yeah.
Can we go check something else out?
Yeah, sure, don't touch.
I promise.
Okay, all right, kitchen. Kitchen.
Oh gosh,
Yeah.
look at this, it's so
Don't
sleek.
touch it, don't touch.
I'm not gonna touch.
Okay, I'm gonna tell everybody about the kitchen.
Okay.
Okay, so right when you walk in.
I'm gonna go check this out back here.
Okay, don't touch.
Won't touch it.
So the kitchen has this massive island with our quartz countertops throughout the entire kitchen. And if you notice the lighting fixtures, they match the dining room fixtures, which
Mark!
are upgraded. Yes,
There's a half bathroom downstairs.
I know. Don't touch it.
Hands-free.
Okay, all right. So there's also custom backsplash, and then the appliances here are KitchenAid upgraded refrigerator, microwave, stove, dishwasher. It's fantastic in here. And again, you can see the entire, I'm looking out the window right now. It's beautiful outside. I see the front yard. I see the people hanging out if I want to. Kitchen is literally one of the best features of this home. Don't you think so, Johnny?
I love it here. This is a great looking kitchen.
Yeah.
Do these cabinets come with the purchase of the property?
Yes, the cabinet, yes, of course. Not gonna take the cabinet.
That's a good deal right there.
It is a good deal. Let's go upstairs.
Whoa!
What's up?
Does this musical guitar banister come with the house?
It's just a banister.
It's 12 string.
No, it's just it's nice though. It's a nice upgrade.
Can I play it?
It's not a, no, you can't play it. It's a banister.
You're lost.
Okay. So the second floor, this is the little loft area, which I love.
Nice, very artsy and stuff, you know?
No. It specifically said for you not to sit or touch anything. Remember?
Yeah, I like standing.
Okay, I'm gonna sit on top.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
I'm gonna go check this out.
Yeah, do it. Don't touch.
I won't touch
So
anything.
the second floor, right when you walk up, you do have this loft. It's cute. It's precious. I love it. They have a little desk right here. You can sit and relax, enjoy it. You can put a TV here if you want. Also upstairs are the 4 bedrooms. You have the one in the front. They're actually using it as an office right now. It overlooks the front. The window is beautiful and it's big, a lot of natural light, good closet. There's a bedroom back there. They're using it kind of as a workout space right now, but big closet in there as well. And then right here, there's a bedroom. Nice bed, nice light fixture. It's just a great bedroom. And then, you don't touch anything, are you?
No, not at all. Is this a wall of hats?
Yeah,
How many people live here?
there's just 2. Anyway, the second floor is really nice. You guys are gonna love it. Don't touch. Welcome to the master bedroom. So the master bedroom. It's big, it's spacious, it's comfortable.
Mark,
Yeah,
how many people did you say live here?
2 people live here.
Sure.
Okay, all right, it's just hats. So the master, the upgraded carpet's really nice. The windows that the bleed in are fantastic. The light, the master bathroom is right there. Right, Jonathan?
Great, Mark!
Yeah, so you have 2 separate vanities with the quartz countertops from downstairs. They're so beautiful. You have custom mirrors that they put in. You have a wonderful upgraded tile in the shower.
2 sinks.
I just said that, 2 sinks. And in the closet,
Have you seen the closet, Mark?
yes, the closet is one of the best closets I've seen in a long time. It's so organized, it's so beautiful. You guys are gonna love it. This is one of the, what they call an owner's suite.
This is beautiful.
Yes. You can't. Don't touch.
I wasn't even gonna
I know,
sit.
but they don't want you to touch.
I'm gonna kneel next to you.
That's fine. Just
I'm gonna
don't
kneel
touch.
down next to you.
So that's the house. You have a beautiful 4-bedroom house in Windermere that's basically brand new, right?
I love the newness.
Yeah, it's so
Great.
new. Brand new roof. Brand new. What are you looking at?
Just stretching my back muscles.
All right. So if you want to set up a showing to see this house, make sure you don't touch that. Make sure you
leaning over.
contact myself, Jonathan, or anybody on the home squad with eXp Realty, and we'll definitely get you inside this house because it's gonna go fast. Thanks for watching, guys.
Thank you.
Did you touch something?
No.